Well, hello, and welcome back to the God Bless the Cake Publishing LLC video channel. And I am John Hausleben of God Bless the Cake Publishing, and I am the chief photographer, flagship author, music critic, music review person, and videographer. And today I am also Whiskey Alpha 2 Alpha Sierra Quebec, chief radio operator at QRP station Whiskey Alpha 2 Alpha Sierra Quebec. And we've got a couple of these ham radio videos, and I thought I'd do another one today. It is Black Friday. It's right after Thanksgiving in 2023, and we had a great holiday, and we picked up a little something extra for the shack, something different here. I'm getting ready to participate in the CQ Work the World CW contest. We are QRP here and CW only. And you know, I've been down the road of the big beams and the amplifiers and the TVI and the angry neighbors, and about 20 years ago my life changed, and you know, I hit the road for professional reasons, and the big beams and amplifiers went the way of the dodo bird. So I have been QRP since, and once the QRP bug bit me, I'll never go back. It's just such a challenge and such fun. And check out our other videos. We picked up this new Yaesu, and we're having a blast with an FT891. But as a little birthday present for myself, I picked up this little item here, and this is a Zachtek Whisper transmitter. And I was fascinated with Whisper. I played a little bit with digital modes, and some of them are not my bag, but as a QRP guy, Whisper, which stands for Weak Signal Propagation Reporter, really caught my fancy, because with my indoor antennas and my antenna restrictions and using a downspout and a rain gutter and indoor wires, antennas here, and all the restrictions I have to get on the air with 5 watts, this Whisper mode turned out to be a great way to test antennas. So I saw this on one of the websites, and I decided to pick it up. And I'm telling you, it's only been a few days, but I am absolutely having a blast with it. And I'll show you. So you can go to Zachtek.com, I believe it is, but it's very small. I mean, it's only the size of maybe a glorified pack of cigarettes. It's running on a USB 5-volt feed from my computer. You hook up a GPS antenna so it can spot your location and lock on to satellites for exact timing. I'll go up in the back here. It does use an SMA connector here, so you need an adapter. I have, you know, SO239s and the PL259 here, which is ordinarily in the back of my rig, and goes over to my old, old but very faithful old MFJ figures 941 Charlie, which I've had forever. And we're running this on an end-fed 20 gauge wire, which goes up out my window here of my apartment, and it goes down and outside the apartment. You can see it there, and then comes in on a bedroom window upstairs. It's 58 feet long with a 29 foot counterpoise, which I run out and on the ground. Here's the GPS hookup. I did have to extend it with an extender to get it to the window, because my shack table's a little way away. I'll see if I can focus. You can see it's a little hockey puck right there. Maybe I can zoom in a bit on the right on the rail. It's a magnet, and it's picking up the GPS signal and comes back into the rig. So let's get back to the Whisper. And so here we are. I got it, set it up. It took me, maybe 15 to 20 minutes to set this up. It was piece of cake. You go to the Zachtek website and download this software. Here it is here on my screen on my desktop. And I got the 80 through 10 model. And right now it is transmitting on a beacon mode. There's the transmitter indicator. I am on 18 megahertz. I'm on 17 meters. Here's the GPS lock on. I got about a 41% signal on the lock for the GPS. And it is transmitting right now. There's my grid square, which it picks up automatically. My call sign, Whiskey Alpha 2 Alpha Sierra Quebec. And I just simply followed the instructions on the Zachtek.com website. And it was very easy, just to, a few steps to download this and get it on. And I'm hooked up on the USB port on a COM port. Where is it here? It's somewhere here. It's on the other configuration, but I'm on COM port 3, I believe. Serial port. You just click that tab there. And then you could save these settings and take it off and just run it on a regular small 5-volt adapter block like a cell phone. It draws very little. I am at 200 milliwatts. It says it puts out between 180 and 200 milliwatts. Amazing. So let's go see. I'm going to move over to my other desktop here. I have limited space here in my apartment. So let's move over here where I have my PSK reporter and the whisper.org reporter here. And let me try to do this without being too shaky. But there we are. We're on 17 meters. And there we go. We have been heard, what is that? Oscar November 5, Kilo Quebec. And then we have some stateside over here. Amazing. 200 milliwatts with an indoor antenna. Running a little bit outside for 20 feet and then back in an upstairs window. And last night I was on 40 meters, and here we are on PSK reporter, and you can see we've got some stateside, and we've got a German station here and a French station, Foxtrot 1 Echo Yankee Golf. So there you are. And what I plan to do later on is I plan to switch out some antennas and play with some, counterpoise and everything, and then experiment. So for the QRP guy, this is just a fantastic, it's not only fun, but it's also a fantastic way, in my opinion, to, test out propagation and also test out your antennas to optimize what might be best and determine, band conditions for your operation. So there you go. Whisper with a new Zachtek, fun technology, simple, fairly low cost, and for the QRP guy, it's a way to get on the air and have some fun and determine how to optimize your station the best. So there we go. We hope to see you on the air soon. Check it out. And we'll get on the air for these contests. If you're a QRP guy or gal, that's the way you're gonna make your contacts. Get on those contests. Get on CW. If you are a CW person, phone can be a little frustrating on QRP. So the digital modes, and of course the ultimate digital mode, CW, is going to get you a barrel of fun with a very minimal station. So there you go. Thanks for tuning in. If you like the video, cool. If you don't, well, you won't hurt my feelings. I'm just a guy from Paterson, New Jersey, WA2ASQ. We'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.